Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Schedule E income and expenses for landlords step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary financial documents related to your rental property. This includes income records and expense receipts. Create a file or folder on your computer specifically for your Schedule E documents. Open your tax preparation software or obtain the appropriate IRS forms for Schedule E. Start by entering your personal information at the top of the form. Next, list each rental property you own in the designated section. For each property, record the total rental income you have received for the year. This includes rent payments and any additional income from services provided to tenants. Now, move on to the expenses section of the form. Gather your expense receipts and categorize them. Common categories include advertising, repairs, and maintenance costs. Enter each expense in its corresponding category on the Schedule E form. Be sure to include property management fees, insurance, mortgage interest, and property taxes. If you incurred depreciation, calculate the amount and include it as well. Keep detailed records to support each expense you report. After completing the income and expense sections, review your entries for accuracy. Make sure to double-check numbers to avoid mistakes. Once you are satisfied, finalize the form before submitting it. Save a copy for your records for future reference. Study IRS guidelines for any additional deductions you might qualify for. Consider consulting a tax professional if you have complex rental situations. By following these steps, you'll have a complete Schedule E prepared for your tax return. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.